So on ExpressVPN, if you're trying to make sure your kill switch is on, which is actually called network lock on ExpressVPN, you're going to want to go over here to the top left, click on the menu icon here, go down to where it says Preferences, click that, and then over here you want to make sure you're in the General tab, make sure that's selected, and down here on network lock, you'll notice this area here, it says stop all internet traffic if the VPN disconnects unexpectedly, and you want to make sure this is selected. So if I uncheck this, that means it's not turned on, and I'm going to check it. So this again will mean, this means if the VPN were to disconnect unexpectedly or something you're not planning for, it's going to stop all internet traffic, meaning you're going to be protected if something like that were to happen. Now, again, the good thing about Express is that's something that really I don't encounter, but just in case, you know, you're protected. And so again, that's one of the reasons I love using Express. It's a really great VPN, very simple, easy to use. As always, again, I'll put links in the description if you don't happen to have it yet, and any deals or discounts, the best ones I can get for you guys, I'll put that down there as well. But otherwise, that's all there is to it. It's really simple. Just make sure this is selected, and you're good to go. So if you have any other questions, let me know down in the comments. I'm curious what you think of ExpressVPN, if you're using it right now, or if you're thinking of getting it, any questions you have. Again, let me know down in the comments. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next video.